Dear students, good morning to all. Welcome to our channel AB Maths 360. In this video, we are going to learn how to find out the cube root of a perfect cube numbers. Suppose I want to find 27th cube root. What is the cube root of 27? So I directly know that 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So this is the answer 3. There are 3 digits, same digits multiplication, you get 3 as answer. Suppose look at this. In the examinations there are 3 types of numbers which we can suppose. Look at this, cube root of 27. This is one type of question of to find out a cube of 27, and another cube root of 27. This is also an example of cube root of 27. And look at the again, and another type, this is also 27 to the power 1 by 3. This is also an example of cube root. There are 3 types of terms, so you have to remember these 3 types. Cube root of 27, square root of 3 root of, so that means cube root of 27 also, 27 to the power 1 by 3 also. There are answer we get 3, here also 3, here also 3. So please do not confuse about 3 types. These 3 types are same. In the questions we have to see multiple types, that means different. Some exams cube root of 27, answer also 3. This is also cube root, this is also an cube root. So in this way we find out very easily find out the cubes. Let's check it out. I want to write down the cubes of 1 to 10. Let's look at 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, and finally 10 cube is 1000. So you have to compulsory to remember these numbers, so that you have to find the cube root of any numbers if the number is a perfect cube. So how to find out the cube root of any number? So note it down very carefully. These 3 terms are most important. Some students are confusing on what is the cube root of 27 or this number, they confuse it, is it different or anything. So clear it. If I want to calculate, suppose cube root of 343. So what is the cube root of 343? So which numbers cube root is 343? So what is the answer? 7. Suppose 512 to the power 1 by 3. This is also cube root of 512. What is the 512's cube root? That means 8. In this way, if you look this, mind it carefully, these 10 numbers, up to 10 numbers, you will calculate easily. If suppose there are more numbers, that means 11 square, 21, 37, something cubes, you have to find out very easily. If I want to calculate the cube of 1728, cube root of 1728, first of all observe carefully and listen carefully, students. So first 3 numbers, that means 8 to 7, first 3 numbers, 1's place, 10's place, and this is 100 place. Just mark down it, and remaining digits mark another mark. So this is 1 mark, and this is the second part, first part, and this is the second part. 1 is the first part and this is the second part. So in the second part, what is the unit digit? 8. What is the unit digit? 8. Unit digit is 8. Now which number's cube is unit digit 8? Which number's cube is unit digit 8? So here look up this, 2 cube is 8. So we have to write down which number's cube, that means 2 cube. So there are 3 places, means here input 2, because unit digit 8, 2 cube unit digit 8. So here 1, here 1, this one observe carefully, 1 means which number's cube is nearest to 1. Which number's cube is nearest to 1? 1 cube also nearest to 1. So 1. So what is the cube root of 1728? That is 12. Answer. Suppose I want to find out 4, 9, 1, 3 cube root. Here also there are 3 places, mark it down, and remaining extra places are mark it separately. So here 913, here unit digit is 3. So which number's cube is unit digit 3? Which number's cube is unit digit 3? So look, 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube unit digit 7, 4 cube unit digit 4, 5 cube unit digit 5. So here I found 7 cube is the unit digit of 3. 7 cubes unit digit 3. So here on input direct is 9, 13 means here 7. Here also 4. Here which number's cube is nearest to 4? Which number's cube is nearest to 4? So one cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, which was more than the 4. So this number is not taken. That's the just previous number, that means 1. That is 17 cube is 4, 9, 1, 3. Suppose another example, this is 1 and this is 2 and 3. Suppose I want to find out 1, 0, 6, 4, 8. So I want to find the cube root of this number. Just 3 places and remaining 2 places. I want to find this out. 648 unit digit is 8. So which number's cube is unit digit is 8? 2's cube is unit digit 8. Just input 2 here. And this 10. Which number's cube result is nearest to 10? So look at this. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So 27 is more than 10. So don't take this 3. Just take that's their previous number, that means 2 cube 8. That means 2. 22 cube is 10622. Suppose I want another example. 1, 5, 6, 2, 5. The cube root. Same question. So here also 3 numbers apart this side and remaining 2 numbers another side. So here also unit digit is 5. So which number's cube is unit digit 5? Here I got 5 cube is unit digit 5. So input just 5 here. And 15. Look this 15. Which number's cube is nearest to 15? Here 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27. So 27 is more number than 15. So please don't take 3 here. Just take the previous number, that means 2. 2 cube is 8, which is just closer to 15. That means 25. This is 25 cube is 15625. Okay, look, observe carefully, and we are going to more questions how to find out cube roots. Okay, my dear students. Okay, move on to the next question. Suppose I want to find cube root of 39304. Cube root. Here also there are 3 places remaining this side, and there are extra 3 or 2 or more than 3. So here which number's cube is unit digit is 4? Which number's cube is unit digit 4? So here look at 4's cube is only 4's cube is 64, that is unit digit is 4. You cannot get any number's cube, that means 4 cube 64 fix, 5 cube digit unit digit 5, 6 cube also unit digit 6, 3 cube unit digit 3, 7 cube unit digit 3, 3 cube unit digit 7. There are a relationship between those numbers. 2 cube unit digit is 8, 8 cube unit digit 2. So 9 cube 9 remains same, 5 cube 5 remaining same, 6 cube 6 remaining same, 4 cube 64, this is also same, and 0 cube 0 also remaining same. So very easy. And finally 1 cube 1 also unit digit the same. So here which number's cube is unit digit 4? So 4 cube, only the 4 cube is unit digit 4. Just input 4 here. 4 cube 64 means unit digit 4. Here 39. Which number's cube is nearest to 39? not be more than 39. So 3 cube 27, 4 cube 67, 64. These two numbers, which is more? This is more. So don't take more number, just take this smaller number. That means smaller numbers, which numbers cube that is? 3 cube, that means 34. 34. What is the answer? 34. Another question. Another question. Take it, look down. Suppose 2, 1, 9, 5, 2. 2, 1, 9, 5, 2. Here also same. There are 3 places and remaining 2 places. So which numbers unit digit 2? I know that 8 cube is 512, that means unit digit 2. 2 cube in unit digit 8. 8 cube in unit digit 2. So 8. So here 21. Which numbers cube is nearest to 21? 1 cube 1. 2 cube 8. 3 cube 27. 27 is more than 21. So don't take this 3. Just to input 28. 28 cube is 21952. And another example. 9, 7, 3, 3, 6. I want to find this cube root of this number. So here also, which number? So cube is unit digit 6. 6 cube is 6. 6 cube is 6. So 97. Which number is nearest to 97? Which number's cube is nearest to 97? That means 5 cube 125. 4 cube 64. So you cannot take 125 because 125 is more than 97. So that you can take here 4. So 46 is the, so 46 cube is the 97336. Another example. I want to 636056. Here also there are 3 places one side and another 3 places go to another side. So here 6. So 6 cubes unit digit is 6. And 636, which number's cube is nearest to 636? Look at this, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729. So that you can take 636 nearest, that means 512. Which number's cube 512? That means 8. The 86 cube is 636. So take more examples so that you can understand very easily and practice more time, you can get very fast results and error free is this number. Suppose 8 number question. 9, 1, 2, 6, 7, 3. Here also there are 3 numbers, unit digit 3 and remaining 3 numbers. Okay. So which number's cube is unit digit 3? 7. I know that 7 cube is 3. 3 cube is 7. So 7. Here I get 7. 7 cube is unit digit 3. Here 912, which number's cube is nearest to 912? Not a unit digit here. Here what is the total? That means which cube is nearest to 912? So I can see this 9th cube is 729. 9 cube is 729. If I take 10 cube, this is 1000, which is more than 912. So I can take 10 cube. Here I can take 9 cube. That means 729. So answer is 97 here. Suppose look at another example. 2500 and 47. Here I can take, there are also same question, cube root 250047. So what is the unit digit? Unit digit 7. So 3's cube is unit digit 7. So that here 250, which number's cube is nearest to 250? 6 cube 216, 7 cube 342. 250 lies between 216 and 343. So you can take always smaller number, that means 6. So 63 cube is 250047. In this way you can take any number's cube root very easily. So this is your homework, my dear students. So solve this question 185,193 cube root. If you like my videos, thank you. This season is over, and if you like my videos and way of solving and more interesting tricks, please subscribe my channel and share and like my channel. Thank you, my dear students.